So yes guys, greetings, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. But I'm not at the lounge today, I'm at Merrick Boulevard and Jamaica Avenue in New York City. This is my new grill. This is my new grill. I did some jerk, I did some fish, I did some festivals, I did some drop biscuit. Look at the jerk, guys. See the jerk? That's the jerk. That's the chicken. That's the fish. So I'm at Jamaica Avenue and Merrick Boulevard in the Big Apple. I'll be back in the DR in a few, but this is my new grill. It's a Rectech. It's a monster, bro. If I had this in the DR, but it's too expensive to ship this to the Dominican Republic. So my boy Paul, thank you Paul, put up half the money to buy this bad boy. Yeah. So that's where I'm at, guys. Merrick Boulevard, Jamaica Avenue right now. Get some jerk. So anyone of you out there want to come by, come on down.